Yang Yang is an actor from China. Yang date of birth is September 9, 1991. Yang is 32 years old. After Love's Year 28, Yang had a sharp rise in popularity and made a successful mainstream debut. CBN Weekly listed him as one of the top 10 Chinese celebrities with the highest commercial worth. Yang height is 1.8 meter. The weight of Yang is 60 kg. Yang nationality is Chinese. The zodiac sign of Yang is Virgo. Yang Chinese zodiac sign is God. Yang religion is unknown. Yang eye color is black. He has black hair color. Yang net worth is around $25 million. Yang is not dating anyone at the moment and is single. The Insta account of Yang is he has 2.3 million followers on his Insta account. He has finished a 75 cm limbo challenge and is incredibly skilled at limbo. He is among China's most well-liked and renowned actor. He was the very first artist to appear on a China Post postage stamp. He even served in the army after receiving his degree in military art. His blood type is AB. He doesn't often take a part in variety shows. He enjoys swimming and playing basketball. Chow Yun-fat, Gong Li, and Nicolas Cage are his three favorite actors. He can't eat spicy cuisine and like durian. He pays attention to girls that are educated, cute, have short hair, are not too tall or too short, and don't wear cosmetics. In the 2010 Chinese television drama The Dream of Red Mansion, he made his acting debut. The city Shanghai of China is the birthplace of Yang Yang. He works as a model, singer, actor, and dancer. Yang's agency name is Huikai Entertainment. Yang studied in the dance department of the People's Liberation Army Arts College in China when he was just 12 years old. He also spent some time studying at the Central Academy of Drama. He was selected to play the lead in The Dream of Red Mansion in December 2007. At RMB 118 million, one of the most costly Chinese TV shows ever created, the 50 episodes drama debuted on July 6, 2010. Yang's 7-year contract with his company Rosette Entertainment terminated on April 29, 2014. Yang first became well-known in 2015 after starring in the coming-of-age movie The Left Ear. Yang got praise for his acting in the box office success movie. After that, he took part in the travel reality program Divas Hit the Road, which generated a lot of discussion on the internet upon its premiere. Then he starred in the online drama action-adventure The Lost Tomb, which was adapted from the same title novel. The Lost Tomb was the year's most viewed online drama, and Yang won praise from viewers and readers for his performance. After that, Yang portrayed the male lead in the young sports drama The Wild Wind Girl, which had a record-breaking year for viewership. At the China TV Drama Awards, Yang took home multiple honors at the conclusion of the year, including Most Popular Actor of the Year, Most Talked About Actor, and Most Influential Actor. He starred in the 2016 youth romance drama Love Year 20, which is currently the most watched modern drama in China and was a worldwide hit. Subscribe for more videos.